Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss a topic in cloud computing, that is virtualization. So, what virtualization is? It is a technique for hiding the physical characteristics of computer resources from the way in which other systems, applications, or end user interact with those resources. Virtualization has seven types: hardware virtualization, software virtualization, memory virtualization, storage virtualization, network virtualization, and data and desktop virtualization. These are the seven types in which the virtualization is divided. So now we are going to discuss the hardware virtualization. Hardware virtualization is also known as server virtualization, in which when the one virtual machine software or VMM, that is virtual machine manager, is directly installed on the hardware system, then we can call it as a hardware virtualization. And the allotment of hardware resources is done by the hypervisor. We will discuss about the hypervisor later, but the main advantage is it increases processing power as a result of maximum hardware utilization. And hardware virtualization is also divided into three types, that is full virtualization, emulation virtualization, and para virtualization. What is full virtualization? So in the guest software does not require any modification since the underlying hardware is fully simulated. And para virtualization is the hardware is not simulated and the guest software runs their own isolated domains. Now, software virtualization. Software virtualization involves the creation of operation of multiple virtual elements on the host machine. It has also subdivided into two types: application level control and operating system level control. Uh, in the application level control, application access the memory pool directly, and operating system level control, it access to the memory pool is provided through an operating system. So now the next type of virtualization is storage virtualization. So in the storage virtualization, multiple physical devices are grouped together, which then appear as a single storage device. And also it is divided into subtypes, that is block virtualization and file virtualization. In the block virtualization, multiple storage devices are consolidated into one, and in the file virtualization, the storage system grants access to files that is stored over multiple hosts. And now network virtualization. In network virtualization, multiple subnetworks can be created on the same physical network, which may or may not is authorized to communicate with each other. It is divided into two types, that is internal network and external network. In the internal network, it enables a single system to function like a network, and external network is it consolidation of multiple network into a single one, or segregation of a single network into the multiple ones. And now the last two types of virtualization is data virtualization and desktop virtualization. So in the data virtualization, it lets you easily manipulate data, as the data is presented as an abstract layer completely independent of data structures and database systems. Okay. And the last type is desktop virtualization. Now we are going to see